cooking ground beef right now in this Dutch oven because I'm going to be making a keto-friendly zucchini lasagna. So first you want to do ground beef in the pot and brown it nice and nice. Next, I've sliced up zucchini like so and added salt to release the moisture from the zucchini. This is a mixture of cottage cheese, or you could use regatta cheese, egg, Parmesan cheese, and seasonings. Now you might be asking, hey, Travel Gypsy, aren't you going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to your ground beef? So what I say is, bang, bang, just like that. I'm going to add a little bit. Next, you're going to take the marinara or tomato sauce and add that to the ground beef. Stir it around so it integrates. Just like that. And throw the top on it. Then, of course, being an Italian dish, you want to add yourself some minced garlic. Just like that. Of course, I'm going to add the extra virgin olive oil to help flavor and soften up the meat. Stir that around. Cover it up and let it simmer on medium. Oops, almost forgot. Now what do you say we add a little bit of oregano? There. Doesn't that look great? Get yourself a pan. I'm using a glass pan. I'm going to add a little bit of the olive oil and some marinara to the bottom of the pan. Spread that around. Meat sauce. Looking good. Smelling even better. Bottom layer of the pan. There you go. Take the zucchini, layer it, just like you would with pasta. Actually, I'm going to use the skin, one with the skin on it. Layer it up nice. Repeat the process. There you go, add the meat sauce, then it should look something like that. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil right down the middle. Green onions. sliced, fresh, but just for convenience sake, I'm using sliced. There. Cover it with tin foil. I'm going to place it in the oven at 325 for about 40 minutes. What do you say we take a peek? So now I'm going to uncover it and cook it for 10 minutes with the cover off. And just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. I'm not sure if you noticed, but underneath I had placed a shallow pan of water. And that's pretty much it. Should feed your family for quite a few days. So, if you like this video, consider subscribing, joining our channel. There's a lot of variety. Take care. There's the finished product. Just look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Low carb, delicious, healthy meal. Easy to make.